MMD is a mining equipment supplier, heavy engineering. We've got 17 offices around the world and 5 manufacturing plants. Our head office is based here in the Isle of Man in Laxey. The wheel had come into a state of disrepair a number of years back, and because we'd got the skills and the experience, and as part of a community project, we thought it was a good suit and a good match. So we sort of got involved with the local commissioners, and it started from there really. The biggest challenges on this were the reach that the crane had to do and the size of the components that we had to get into the glen. One of the other challenges we had to consider was the differences in water level. It looks quite shallow today, but there's been periods where it's a good metre deep. So again, heavy engineering, we're well suited to this, and obviously we had to make sure that the house was capable of withstanding those changes, and obviously it's going to be here for a long time still. So as part of the original installation in the 1890s, it used to service the hotel on the main road. Where we sit now from a sustainability side, we've got a power source. We wanted to make sure that the unit was capable of generating power. So with a few modifications that would be possible, and I think why not utilise it, a great source of energy. We do like to do an annual service to make sure it's all nice and tight and running as it needs to. The wheel house was sort of running for 100 years. It's something that we want to keep maintained well, and so it can run another 100 years.